Welcome to Guided Meditations with Shree Dembla. This is a space for you to connect with your own self, to connect with your breath. This is a space for you to connect with the Mother Earth, the universe, and the divine energies. Release all the energy blockages that stops you from living a fulfilling and phenomenal life and receiving divine healing and powers from the source, from the universe, from your angels and guides, and so many magical beings that are here to help you. We are about to start a guided meditation. For this meditation, make sure that it is safe for you to close your eyes, as you will be closing your eyes. Make sure that you're all by yourself in a room and you're not disturbed for the next few minutes. You can put your phone on silent mode or the flight mode and just sit in a comfortable position. You can even listen to this lying down in a comfortable position. Make sure you have some water near you and you are comfortable. And once you're ready, you can begin.
Close your eyes, put your hands on your heart. Take a long deep breath in. Breathe in from your nose, breathe out from your mouth 3 times. Breathe in from your nose, breathe out from your mouth. And as you start breathing normally, observe every breath going deeper and deeper. With your eyes comfortably closed, expand your awareness. Expand your psychic powers, psychic awareness. Connect with the universe. Allow the shaft of white light, bright white stream of energy flow all the way from the universe to the top of your head and move through every cell of your body. Feel the feet. Connect with the Mother Earth. Pull the energy from the core of the earth all the way up to the feet and all the way up to the top of your head. Expand yourself. And let's connect with Archangel Haniel. When Archangel Haniel is around, you may perceive bright white light, kind of a mist. Little tinge of blue in it. And at the background of that, you may perceive bright orange light. As the moon gets its energy from the sun, we see the white, bright, shining moon. And behind that bright, white, shining moon is the bright, orange, yellow, bright sun. Similarly, in your life, usually with all the successful people, people see the limelight they are in. People see the white, bright smile, success. Yet, behind all of that is the orange, the yellow energy of the creativity of the sacral chakra. And Archangel Haniel helps you to heal and activate and ignite your sacral chakra, your creative capacity. And as you start using your creativity into creating something that can contribute to the world and standing for that, not just acknowledging your talent, your capacity, and sitting with it. When you start living it, when you start standing for it, when you start being it in the world, you start using it, you start being the power. And once you contribute to the world, to more and more people with your creativity and power, you be the compassion, the joy the world had been seeking. And the more you be the joy, the more you are motivated and inspired to speak up. As you see more results in the world with your awareness, creativity, with your power to stand for what you have the talent for, the more you feel like expressing yourself in the world. And the more you express yourself in the world, the more awareness you get in that direction. No work is big or small, no matter what it is that you have the talent for, that you have the creativity for, you can rise to the higher dimensions through anything. And the more you listen to the awareness and be more of that and give more of that to the world, it helps you to help others, and through that rise to the higher dimension. Be like an angel on the earth. Beyond your 7th chakra, at your 8th chakra, you meet Archangel Haniel again, contributing to you in your journey from your creativity, from acknowledging your creativity all the way through the process to attaining the oneness through your creative capacity, to being one with the universe, to being the infinite being you are through your creative capacity. And Archangel Haniel is there to help you through all of that. vertically and horizontally, Archangel Haniel is there to help you through your mood swings, through your periodic cycles, through the patterns of your life. You can call upon Archangel Haniel. And of course, Archangel Michael, to cut the cords of anyone that is not contributing to you anymore, so that you can rise through all these phases without any attachment. It's so beautiful how these angels work together to create more and contribute more. Sometimes some of you wonder, why are these angels so interested in you? That is just a doubt that comes because you are not yet aware how beautiful you are. You are yet not aware the gift you are. If you would know the potential, if you would know that if you start truly being all of you, what gift that would be to the earth, you would never doubt yourself. You would just expand, connect with the higher dimensional beings that are all there to contribute to you, have no doubt or fear, and receive everything they are there to gift to you, and just live your life full of joy and live your life to the fullest, as they know that when you start choosing that, it's a gift to the world. Allow yourself right now to connect with the moon. And receive the calmness, the brightness. It's so beautiful to learn from the moon how the moon receives the energy from such fiery, bright, fiery sun, and yet reflects just the calm, cool, white light, while embracing all the darkness. We can just see the white side of the moon, yet there is the dark side too. And the moon does not reject the dark side of itself. So much we can learn from the moon. Each and every one of us has the dark side as well as the bright side. And what if none of them is good or bad? Many of us judge that we judge as darkness in us. What if there is nothing right or wrong in the universe, and consciousness includes everything? So why judge any aspect of ourselves, and why not embrace all of it? Even those things that you think you did wrong, what if those were the best things you could do at that point of time? And embrace all of you, not just the part that you think is good about you, all of you. Let go of the guilt, release, and allow yourself to have total harmony with yourself. Total harmony, total harmony. total harmony. Whether it is in this life or any other lifetime, anything that you are judging yourself for, just release it and be in total harmony with all of you, the good, the bad, the ugly. Everything is one. Just expand and embrace the entire universe and embrace the entirety of you. Thank Archangel Haniel for this grace of God. Allow yourself to be the greatness you are. Don't judge yourself. You are much more than you think you are. Embrace the greatness in you. Let it flow through you every day, in every wonderful way. It flows through you. Take a long deep breath in and let go. Some of you may experience a download of intense energies. Just allow yourself to receive it, your own powers, potencies, creativity, hidden beyond time and space, across time and space, all coming to you right now. You're ready for it. Be the magic you are in the world. Put all of that in action. Be willing to receive prosperity and wealth for it. Embrace it. Thank you, Archangel Haniel. Thank you, Michael. Thank you, Universe. Thank you, Mother Earth, and all the beings contributing right now. Take a long deep breath in and let go. Allow yourself to be more present and aware with your body, with your physical body. You can move your hands a bit, your feet a bit, rub your palms, put them on your eyes, and slowly and gradually, whenever you feel comfortable, you can open your eyes.
Have some water. Stay relaxed. Make sure that you write your experience of the meditation, journal your experience of the meditation. And if there is any heaviness that you're experiencing or any discomfort in the body, don't worry about it at all. It's only the energy, intense energy is releasing. It will be fine in a while. Just have some water and relax. And just share your experience with me in the comments below. I would also like to hear from you. What are the other areas of your life that I can contribute to through these meditations? This is Shree Dembla, and I am very happy and humbled to be able to connect you with yourself, with your breath, with your angels. And for more meditations, just let me know in the comments, and I would love to create more videos of these wonderful meditations for you. Thank you. Have a great day ahead and stay blessed.